Ever notice your electricity bill creeping up month after month, year after year? You're not alone. Rising electricity costs are a burden for many, from hardworking families to struggling small businesses. But don't despair, there are ways to reduce your electricity costs. Stick around to find out how. Step 1. Switch off and unplug. It sounds simple, yet it's often overlooked. Remember that TV left on standby or the laptop charger left plugged in overnight? These are silent energy suckers. Don't ignore them. Remember, every little bit counts. Step 2. Consider investing in energy-efficient appliances. LED light bulbs, for instance, consume less power than traditional bulbs. Energy Star-rated refrigerators also optimize electricity usage. Over time, these appliances can lead to significant savings. Think of it as an investment towards a smaller electricity bill. Step 3. Be mindful of your heating and cooling usage. You'd be surprised how much dialing down your thermostat a few degrees in winter can save. Or consider using fans instead of air conditioning in summer. Remember, comfort doesn't have to come at a high cost. Step 4. Keep up with regular maintenance. Regular upkeep prevents energy waste. For instance, cleaning your AC filters can maximize efficiency, while maintaining good insulation can keep your home's temperature steady. Prevention is better than cure, especially when it comes to your electricity bill. Step 5. Consider renewable energy sources. Harness the power of the sun with solar panels or photovoltaic panels. Picture a suburban home or a bustling business, their energy costs slashed dramatically. Imagine generating your own electricity and watching your bills shrink. Don't just take our word for it, meet some folks who've successfully cut their electricity costs. Jane, Tom, and Lisa each adopted these steps and witnessed a significant drop in their energy bills. They did it, and so can you. Start implementing these steps today and watch your electricity costs drop. Until next time, stay savvy and save on.